Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones JBL Tune 520 available on iPhone? So, I already installed the application what JBL offer for the headphones, and if we open it, we need to click this plus, and right here we can see supported devices. So firstly we need to find Tune series, and just scroll down. Right here we have it, and our model is Tune 520. So right here we need to find 520. Right here we have 527, but it's another model, and we need to just scroll down. And right here we have Tune 520, so this actually our model, and my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!